Hi my little nation, it's me Melina Knives. I know it's been a long time since I filmed last. However, this shit took forever to get to me, and well, now it's here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so here's the first top, and I'd like it if it was a little bit bigger. This is a size 4XL. I feel like it's a little snug. If this was like in a size 6XL, I think it would look much better on me. Not too bad. I don't think I'll wear it though. This is only $11. So the top goes down like this, right off the shoulders. But it is really snug in this area, and same thing in the back, which I do not appreciate. But let's go ahead and try on the second one. This. Alright, and here's the second outfit or second shirt. This is really cute. It has little cutouts on the sleeve and also has cutouts in the back. Definitely have to wear a shirt underneath here. And it also has a hood. It's really cute. I know, it's like,
I like it.
I actually really like it. It's really cute. And I think this was $12.
I went through a phase of that color.
Alright, and here is the third one. When I saw this on Shein, I thought this looked very professional. Looks very editorial. However, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Oh, it's a very pretty color. I could try buttoning up the sleeves, however, I just feel like it's not me. I don't really like it. It kind of reminds me of when I was younger. I used to make my little sister dresses out of curtains. And this just reminds me of a big sized curtain dress. However, I do like the style. Maybe if it was a little bit more form-fitting. Ironed, definitely, because it's very wrinkly. It took forever in the mail to get to me, so it's probably why it's just a little crinkly. A little too low in the back. Very roomy, 2 inches above the knees where it stops. Overall, it's just eh.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
9 out of 10.
And this I paid $10 for.
How long? Because this is a different one.
Right, and here is, I think, number 4. This is just a simple black crop top. Nothing too special about it. It's a little baggy, which is really nice. Form-fitting around here. Kind of like it if you were wearing black pants like this. That just make it more that. So what do you guys think? This was only $5. Here's
I'll
the
try again.
other one. I feel like it's very basic. Can't.
So pretty.
I feel like this should have gone up just a little bit higher on the sides, just to give it a little bit more of a shape.
I want one.
I feel like it's too plain here.
I want one.
Maybe some like straps to make it really cool. Maybe wear a harness underneath here just to give your chest a little something. Or just a really nice necklace. But I feel like it's just too in. However, the one thing I really do like about this top is that in the inside they do have like this plastic here. It's like a no-slip grip type thing, so it won't slide down. I'd say this is a pass for me. This top was $3. And here's another outfit. This is a 2-piece, not a dress. I have another skirt underneath here just to try to giving it some shape, because when I put it on, it was just very flat. Like my ass. And this was $10, and all of these I think are the same exact size, so but they're all fitting very different. But yeah, this is that one.
She said I'm the bitch
And
too.
here is the other outfit. Kind of gives me like schoolgirl vibes, not gonna lie. Yeah, I think it's pretty cute.
Woo!
And this was $7. And here is the other one. I just added a random skirt to it because I did not order pants to go with this top. However, I do like this top, but like I said, I don't have anything to wear with it. But yeah, it's very cute. And this top was only $2.73. But very cute. Alright, so hopefully this entire video was in focus. I have a bad habit of putting videos up that are not in focus, especially when it comes to Shein hauls. My camera is flipping, and that actually is not my fault. I don't have anyone here usually when I film my haul, so they can't really tell me, hey, you're out of focus, hey, you're in focus. Cannot rely on my eyesight, clearly, because you just can't. Like, I'm blind as fuck. So hope you guys enjoyed this really quick Shein haul. Tell me what your favorite outfit was, or what you didn't like as much, or what you're gonna buy for yourself. And I will see you guys hopefully in my next video very, very soon. And have a great day. Bye. Miss you.